Hi guys, good morning. Can you see this? Can you see how curly? A video that I'm gonna share with you today that is what is the procedure that Brazilian most do in the salon, tá? I'm going to the salon today to fix my hair. As you can see the picture here, I have a curly hair. My grand for sure, it's like, you know, they have a black color, they have a curly hair, and I got this from my mother's side. I don't know if my father has as well. Of course, I just woke up and then I take a shower, take a bath, but at the same time, I didn't fix my hair because I'm going there. I just entered in the car and I'm gonna show you how is my hair right now. Wait. Can you see? Here it's curly. Oh, this is curly, and then this is curly. It's more or less until here, and I will show you the procedure that Brazilians do when they want to make the hair straight. That is the dream of all the people who have curly hair. It doesn't mean that we don't like our curly hair, but I'm already used to have a straight hair when this start to be a fever here in Brazil. So this is my hair right now, and I will show you later when I'm done. I will show all the procedure for you, but I want you to know how is the procedure, and we spend one whole day in the salon just to fix this. Okay, so this is the most common Brazilian hair. We have this curly here until here, of course, until down, but since this one is already growth, look, it growed until here. Now I need to make it straight, at least this part. And let's go with me. Ciao. And look, you can see better if it's tied my hair. You can see here the curl. Can you see? Oh, and also here you can see. So that's the way how we used to do here in Brazil. I go now to my salon. She's my first salon in life since I was like 14 years old. Until now I go to this place, and I will show you how is the procedure. Just follow me and subscribe here down below if you like these videos from Brazil. Ciao!
Ó, eu tô botando um shampoo antirresivo, né?
Tá.
Que é pra abrir bem a cutícula.
Vou guardar os negócios lá de cima, tá?
E agora eu vou passar mais uma mão e deixo paradinho um pouquinho.
Tá.
Pra ele abrir mais, tá? Tu viu que eu só enxaguei, né?
Aham.
Podemos ir.
Mostrar o produto. Eu quero fazer um vlog em inglês. Now she's passing the product here, exactly until here, and then she bring until down a little bit. And that's the product that she's passing. After this is a lot of process. Now it's not only that. My mother is there. Look, you can see here. That is very curly. Can you see? Look. But this one is straight because my old hairdresser, he did something wrong. That's supposed to be, it's not until here. It grows totally curly. Guys, so she passed all the product here, look, especially here on the top of all my hair. And now we're gonna wait for one and a half hour, and 1 hour, and she dry my hair, pass the straightener, everything that, you know, for to straight it and heat. So this is how it will work the product. And I'm gonna wait here. This is girl things. Subscribe, guys, and give a thumbs up to this channel. It's really famous here in Brazil. It's this kind of juice, and it's all fruits. You can make juice, you can make a fruit salad. Look, can you see? It's really like fit. So they sell acai, they sell juices, and they sell fruit salad in a big quantity. And now we just came here to drink something, me and my mom, to wait for the hair to be done. Look, it's green. There is lemon, pineapple, ginger, and something else that I don't know. Look. And this is my mom's juice. It's watermelon juice. It's very good. This is my favorite when I'm a kid. Now I don't drink it anymore, it's too sweet. Guys, you can see that they are in this kind of hair. Of course my hair is not like this, it's a little bit more bigger, no? The curly of my hair, I will put a picture, you already saw more or less. And in this kind of how can I say, procedure for the hair, Scove Express is like definitive. It's like you're gonna make it straight, and it will only become curly when it grows. It's more or less mine. And then there is the progressive that I make it now. What is this? It's when your entire hair is becoming straight, and then after this you make it curly, but the curly comes 2 or 3 months totally. All the hair will become curly again. Not only the roots, how you call this? Yeah, not only this. And then there is the permanente afro. Permanente afro is more or less this one, look. They will make it more curly. It's like they put a kind of plastic, like a roll, something like this, and then they will put all the hair. And when it removed, they put of course they put a product, everything. And then when it's removed, it become like this, very teeny, curly. And relaxamento is for only this part. So it will be a little bit straight, but it's not the effect of straight hair. It's something that it will be flat here, not really full of volume, you know. Of course, they cut the hair, they do everything here. They make a, you know, look, a lot of products that is good product here in Brazil. Can you see? So guys, this is my hair now. Look, you can see already the difference. Can you see? Wait, can you see here? Look, line per line. Oh. It's no more the curl. Here is a little bit, but she will still pass the straightener, and it will be totally straight here where I supposed to fix this part. So it's already half of the process. Look. Now she divided by 3 pieces, 4, and she start with the straightener. Look, very hot, and she'll make all my hair, and then you see how to be more thin than now, more straight than now. And then after this I stay like 2 days without wash, you know. Many people ask me why Brazilians don't wash the hair every day, and then I will tell you guys, because we do it. How much more you wash, more the hair will be gone, the straight will be gone. And our hair mostly are dry because it's curly, now from the nature. It's not like straight hair that every time is oily. So this is the answer. Guys, so this is my hair now. Look how long. Can you see? I have the pink in the bottom. And look how thin and how straight is my hair now. And this is how we are used to do here in Brazil. Who, of course, loves to have the hair straight. Who doesn't love? It's normal. It's about option. It's about if you like it. So here, if you make a hair, they give free the nails. Look how beautiful. So I go down there, I make my nails already. And it's this, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And don't forget to thumbs up for this video, because you saw how this Brazilian procedure and how Brazilian and what Brazilians do really in salon. Look, totally straight, and it's how I like. So it's not really, how can I say, it's not you must have a straight hair. But anyways,